In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all chat in League of Legends. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and how to turn it on so you can see messages from both teams during a match. First, make sure you're actually inside a game. The practice tool is perfect for this because it loads quickly and lets you test settings without affecting a real match. Once you've spawned in, open your settings. You can click the gear icon on the bottom right of your screen or simply press the Escape key to bring up the in-game menu. From the Settings menu, head to the Interface section. This is where League groups a lot of on-screen elements, health bars, timers, and importantly, chat options. Inside Interface, look for the chat area. Here you'll see the different visibility choices for chat, usually labeled for Pre-Made Only, Same Team, or All Chat. Pre-Made Only shows messages from players you queued with. Same Team limits chat to just your teammates in the current match. All Chat lets you see messages from everyone, including the opposing team. To turn on All Chat, select the option for All Chat in this section. Once you've made that choice, hit Save or Apply, so your change sticks. That's it. Your game will now display chat from both teams. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most out of this setting. After enabling All Chat, you'll be able to see enemy messages in the chat window. If you want to send a message to everyone, many players type a command like "all" before their message, depending on your client's behavior. Keep in mind that all chat can vary by region or by game updates. If you don't see the option, it may be disabled in your area or limited by current policy. Also, if you ever decide all chat is too distracting, you can return to the same interface and chat section and switch back to team only or pre-made only visibility just as easily. It's a good idea to enable this setting while you're in the practice tool so you can verify it's working without the pressure of a live match. Once you're comfortable, hop into a normal or ranked game and your preference will carry over. To recap, enter a game like the practice tool, open settings with the gear icon or escape, go to interface, open the chat section, choose all chat and save. With that done, you're ready to see the full conversation in your matches.